artichoke,
asparagus,
bean sprouts,
aubergine,
bitter lemon,
beetroot, broad beans, broccoli,
cabbage,
carrot, cauliflower, celery, chili, courgette, cucumber, garlic, ginger,
kale,
kohlrabi,
leek, lettuce,
mint,
mushroom,
okra,
onion, peas, potato, pumpkin, radish, spinach,
sweet potato,
sweet corn,
taro,
turnip,